Okay guys, good afternoon. It's been a while since we got a video here. Well, the market is pushing higher here. You can see the signals. We can see down here the to the tick. Okay, this is the time where you need to
Long
wait,
signal
guys.
and Q.
You need to wait here, and this is a measured move. The market takes a long position, so that way you can make better trade. You see correlation that's up. Okay, so the Nasdaq is completely green, guys. This market is pushing higher. Okay, no need to short right now. As you can see, just to showcase you guys the system, you see over here. Let's see you see the YM here to the tick, guys. You see the correlation, that's the imbalance to the upside. Never pulled back. This is lots of money, guys. This is what I always tell you guys. You need to wait for these
Long signal and
conditions.
Q.
You need to let the Nasdaq break out. As you can see here, it touched the ATR, and then it reversed to the tick, guys, and then it broke to the upside. Okay, so this is the main potato here that you need to look for. Okay, guys, I'm gonna close this trade. Okay, that's it. So what I was telling you guys, and that you need to let the market break out. Okay, once it breaks out, you see the yellow line here, the gold vertical line. What's lots of volume, guys? This is high volume candle, meaning that the market, you didn't see this one here. So what does it mean? That the market is not trying to break out. You need to wait for the breakout. You see correlation that's up. Okay, so you see the push. Why this is very important, guys? Why is it important? Because this is where the market trades. Okay, this is, you see the high frequency traders and everything here trying to go long. This is what you need to wait. Then you apply all this information over here to the ES. That way you make a trade and you go long. Okay, whatever happens on the Nasdaq will happen on the ES. Okay, so that's what I wanted to showcase you guys. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and like always, if you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching.